Redis streams give you a durable, append-only log, perfect for event pipelines, audit trails, and fan-out workloads where you cannot afford to miss a message. Unlike PubSub, a stream keeps every entry in memory and on disk. Any consumer can catch up from any point in history, and multiple consumer groups each track their own read position independently. Internally, each entry is identified by a millisecond timestamp plus a sequence number, guaranteeing uniqueness even when two entries arrive in the same millisecond. The log is ordered oldest first. XADD appends an entry and returns its auto-generated ID. XRANGE with dash and plus returns the full log. XLEN is constant time. XREAD with 0 reads from the very beginning of the stream. When reviewing a pull request, check that IDs are auto-generated, that the start ID makes sense, and critically, that every consumer group call is paired with an XACK to prevent the pending entry list from leaking memory. Remember, streams are a durable log, not a fire-and-forget channel. Auto-generate your IDs, pick the right start position for your reader, and always acknowledge processed entries in a consumer group.